Hi children, today we are going to learn about the four operations of rational numbers. Okay, that four operations are nothing but addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, let me find out that. See the first one, minus 6 by 11 plus 7 by 11. Look at here, the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, what we have to do there? We have to take the same denominator and in the numerator write as it is. Minus 6. Here we have plus symbol. So plus 7. So minus 7 minus 6 plus 7 divided by 11 equal to 1 by 11. Okay, this is this. If the denominators are same, we have to do, if it is addition, we have to put the addition symbol. Okay, suppose if it is a subtraction, minus 6 by 11 minus 7 by 11. So same denominators. So we have to take 11 and the numerators minus 6. Here we have minus symbol. So put minus 7. So that the answer will be minus 13 by 11. Because same symbols we are having there. So add the numbers and put the same symbol. So minus 13 by 11. Okay. If it is multiplication, minus 6 by 11 into 7 by 11. So we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So here symbol, first we have to multiply the symbols. Here minus, here plus. Minus into plus, minus. 6 sevens are 42 by 11 elevens are 121. Okay. Similarly, for division, minus 6 by 11 divided by 7 by 11. Here the division symbol, how to do this? Minus 6 by 11 put into and we have to take the multiplicative reciprocal for this. That means it's 11 by 7. Can cancel 11 and 11. So that the answer will be minus 6 by 7. Okay. So for addition and subtraction only, we have to see the denominators are same or not. For multiplication and division, no need to see the denominators. We have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. For division, put the first number as it is and we have to take the reciprocal of the second number. So 11 by 7 we got the answer like this. Okay. Now look at the problems. Minus 5 by 9 plus minus 4 by 3. Look at the denominators. These denominators are different numbers. Okay. So for these different numbers we have to take the LCM. The LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. So put 9 here. So I can take this minus 5 because in 9 I have only one 9. So 1 into minus 5 is nothing but minus 5 plus and in 9 how many 3's are there? 3 3's are there. So 3 4's are 12. Minus symbol is there. So minus 12. So that here minus and minus both the symbols are same. So add the numbers. So 17 and put the same symbol divided by 9. Okay. Suppose this is for addition. Look at the next problem. Subtract minus 2 6 by 11 from minus 4 5 by 22. Okay. So here I want to take this. So, minus 4 5 by 22 minus of minus 2 6 by 11. So we are subtracting this number from this one. Okay. So it is equal to, I want to convert this number into improper fraction. So 4 22's are 88. 88 plus 5 93. So 93. Here I have minus symbol. Put minus 22 minus. Here I want to convert into mix that improper fraction. So that what we can have the 2 into 11, 22. 22 into 6, 28. So 28 by 11. Here I have minus symbol, so put minus. Okay, and then keep the number as it is there by 22 minus. Here minus into minus will become plus. Okay, so 28 by 11. Now look at the denominators here 22 and here 11. So as usual we are going to follow the rules of the addition. So I have to take the LCM for these two numbers. That LCM is 22. So at the numerator I have minus 93. In 22, how many 22s are there? One time. So 1 into 93 is 93. Already we have minus symbol, so put minus as it is. Here plus, in 22 how many 11s are there? 2 11s are there. So 2 into 28, 56 is equal to, here denominator as it is you have to write that. Here we have to subtract this one from this one. So minus, the bigger number is minus, so put minus 37 by 22. Okay, so this is the addition and subtraction. Let us see about the multiplication and division also here. Okay, now look at the multiplication problem now. Here minus 5 by 8 into 7 is equal to, it means here we have 1. At the denominator we have 1. There is no numbers. You have to keep in your mind we have 1 here. So and just we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So if you multiply the symbol it is minus. Minus into plus minus. 5 sevens are 35 divided by, here 8 ones are 8. That's all. Now look at here. Here I have the two rational numbers, multiplication of two rational numbers. So as usual you have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Here minus symbol, 5 sevens are 35 divided by 8 tens are 80. Okay. Now look at the division. Here 7 by minus 8 into, if it is division put into and then take the reciprocal of the second number. So here I can take 4 by minus 3. So I can cancel the here and 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are. So which is equal to 7 1s are 7 divided by 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus. So no need to put symbol plus symbol there. So you can write this 7 by 6 as the answer. So hope you understand the 4 operations of rational numbers. Okay. On the basis of this problem we are going to do the exercise problems. Okay. Look at the next problem. Evaluate 4 by 3 minus of minus 3 by 2 plus minus 5 by 3 divided by 30 by 12 plus minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. Okay, first I told you already we have to simplify the problems in bracket wise we have to simplify. Okay. So now I want to take this one separately and this one separately and then we have the plus symbol, so we have to add that. Side by side we have to do that. So which is equal to, now look at here, here minus into minus. So we have to remove this a small bracket. So how to remove the small bracket there? Just multiply the symbol. So minus into minus is nothing but plus. 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus, and then look at the next bracket here. Here we have the division symbol. So what we have to do there, for this division put the multiplication symbol and take the reciprocal of the second number. So take the first number as it is, minus 5 by 3 into 12 by 13 and then plus. Now look at the next one, here product only, so no need to do anything, keep as it is there. So minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. Okay. Now we can simplify the brackets is equal to, here different numbers are here. So we have to take the LCM for this. So this LCM is nothing but 6. So in 6, how many 3s are there? 2 times. So 2 4s are 8. Plus, in 6, how many 2s are there? 3 2s are there. So 3 into this 3, 9. The first bracket. Plus, now look at here, 3 and 30 we have there. But in between we have the multiplication symbol. So no need to anything, just multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. And if possible, we can cancel the numbers also. Simplify the numbers. Okay. So by 5 table I can cancel that. Here 6 times. Okay. And then 12 table. 6 table I can cancel here. 1 6 are 6. 2 times it is there. So what will be the answer for this? Minus into plus, minus 1 2s are 2 divided by 3 1s are 3. So this is the second bracket. Okay. Plus, now look at the next one. If possible, we can cancel the numbers. So by which table? 3 table. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are. Again I can cancel here and here. 1 3s are 3. 9 3s are 27. I can cancel here and here. 1 4s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay. So here minus into minus, it will become plus. But plus, no need to put the plus symbol. Keep as it is. 1 9s are 9. Here in the denominator 1 4s are 4. Okay. So we simplify each and every brackets now. And then I want to simplify here also even. So here 8 plus 9 is 17 by 6. Here plus into minus, minus 2 by 3 plus 9 by 4. Okay. So now look at the denominators there. All the denominators are different there. So what we have to do there? We have to take the LCM for this. Okay. So for this LCM is for 6, 3 and 4, the LCM is 12. So I can take this as 12. So in 12, how many 6 are there? 2 times. So 2 into 17, 34. Minus, in 12, how many 3s are there? 4. So 4 2s are 8. Plus, in 12, how many 4s are there? 3. So 3 into 9. So it is 27. So which is equal to, here I can add 34 and 27. How much will be there? 61 minus 8 by this 12. So how much will be there? 61 minus 8. It's nothing but 53. Here it is 53 by 12. Okay. So evaluate this one. This much of numbers, rational numbers are given. So we simplified as and got the answer 53 by 12. By using the basic of the 4 operations, we are going to see the word problems. Okay. Now see here. Find the rational numbers that should be added and subtracted that will make the sum 3 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 8 to the nearest whole number. Okay, first I want to simplify these numbers, rational numbers. Okay, so just simplify the numbers first. So I want to convert this into improper fraction. How to convert this? Say 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2 plus your 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4 plus 2 8s are 16 plus 3 19 by 8. Okay, so I want to take the LCM for the denominator so that I can simplify this. So the LCM is 8. Take 8 here. In 8, how many 2s are there? 4 times. So 4 7s are 28 plus in 8, how many 4s are there? 2 times. So 2 7s are 14 plus in 8, how many 8s are there? 1. So 1 into 19, 19. So which is equal to, so if you add the numerators, what we can do there? How much you will get? 61. 61 by 8. Okay, but look at the problem. What that 61 by 8 is nothing but 7 times. So 7 5 by 8. Okay. So here obviously from this answer you can conclude this number given simplification of this answer will lies between 7 and 8. It lies between this number lies between 7 and 8. So I can write this 7 as okay. So from this rational number to be added, they ask the problem what number should be added and subtracted. Okay, along with this number, which number should be added? Okay, so we are going to find this which number should be added to get this 60 for the whole number. Nearest to whole number is nothing but here 8. So from this I want to subtract this one. So which number should be added is nothing but 64 by 8 minus 61 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. So this number should be added. Okay, and which number should be subtracted? So to get the nearest to whole number. So here the same 61 by 8 minus this 56 by 8. So that I can get the 5 by 8. So this 5 by 8 should be subtracted from this number. Okay. Let me see one more problem here. A student instead of multiplying by 8 by 9 divided by 8 by 9 by mistake. If the difference between the answers got by him is 34, find the number. We don't know about the given number and all. So just take that number, given number be x. So let the number be x here. Okay. And he is multiplying by 8 by 9, isn't it? So the multiplication of this number. So multiplication of x equal to 8 by 9 into x. And then what he did there? By mistake he is divided there. So the division of x equal to x divided by 8 by 9, which is equal to, take the reciprocal of this, 9x by 8 here. Okay. So the difference between these two answers is 34. So difference between these two is nothing but difference equal to 9x by 8 minus this 8x by 9 is equal to, which is equal to 34 is given in the problem. Okay. Now take the LCM of this 72 and cross multiply here. 81 minus x minus 64x equal to 34. So 81 minus 64. Here 81 minus 64 is nothing but 17. So 17x by 72 equal to 34. I want to find the value of x. So keep x as it is and take the reciprocal of this number to the other side. So that 34 into 72 by 17. Okay. So I can cancel these two. 2 times that. So x equal to 144. X equal to 144. Okay. So the number is the given number. Find the number in the question. So the number is 144.